Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto Market Update. Guys, we had a very big dump in the altcoin market, but right now we're seeing signs of recovery. Right now a lot of altcoins are making a huge bounce. Liquidations were rising. Over $300 million were liquidated. We're taking a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin has rallied towards higher at $5,000, even touching that at $8,000 level. That dump took Bitcoin towards $35,200. But the altcoin market has bounced back. Bitcoin has bounced back. We're waiting for alt season. There's great in the cryptocurrency market. There's a lot of news stories. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business.
I can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Bitcoin, the king of the market, still trades above $35,000. We saw a little dump in the crypto market. Bitcoin went to as low as $35,200. Bitcoin is still up 1.4% over the last 7 days. Ethereum went below $2,000, still up 5.7% in the last 7 days. And in top 10 cryptocurrencies, Solana still keeps the gains we have made over the last 7 days. Solana is still up at 6%. We have Cardano up 1.7%. We have Tron up 6.7%. But the market still is bullish. We're still expecting higher prices in the coming days and coming weeks. Let's take a look at the biggest gainers over the last 24 hours. The YDX has gone up 21%. Celestia has gone up 16%, having a very wonderful week. PancakeSwap is up 15%. Torchain also having a very great month, up 13%. And we have Casper, which has been pumping to new all-time highs, up 12%. In the loser section, Immutable X is down 5%. BitGet token is down 4%, Toncoin is down 4%, Ethereum Classic is down 3%, and eCash is down 3% in the last 24 hours. Let's go to the charts, guys. Bitcoin sits around $35,000. Bitcoin got to that $8,000 level. But right now, we're seeing a lot of divergence right now. Bitcoin looks like it's cooling down, getting ready for that one final pump. I still believe Bitcoin will rally above that $8,000. That $8,000 for Bitcoin was probably the buying climax. We'll see Bitcoin maybe touch that $40,000 level, but not with the same excitement we saw with that run towards $37,000 to that $8,000. We saw Bitcoin rallying from the 13th of October 2023. We saw Bitcoin have a very crazy month. That month ended with a dump to Goblin Town, but in that same month, Bitcoin took 28 days to rally by over 40%. That's one of Bitcoin's huge moves in 2023. So I'll not be shocked to see Bitcoin spend the next 1 week, maybe 2 weeks cooling down. Remember, I've just been through a very long bear market, so a 40% pump in around 28 days is a welcome idea. Imagine we have another 40% pump maybe in December. That's very possible. You never know where Bitcoin might be heading to. If you take a look at the number one altcoin in the cryptocurrency market, Ethereum, we got to as high as $2,100. We barely set a new yearly highs. That dump to Goblin Town yesterday, that pullback we had in the market, so Ethereum go from $1,141 getting to as low as $1,939, losing around 9.4% of its value, which is not very outrageous if you ask me. We just saw Ethereum having more than a 25% dump from July of 2023 when that dump ended in October. That was a 24.9% dump. So right now a 9% dump is not that outrageous. It's just a pullback. We've seen Ethereum go from as low as $1,500 on the 12th of October, getting to as high as $2,141, also having a 40% dump just like Bitcoin. And all this happened in 28 days. So I'll not be shocked to have a pullback in the coming days and coming weeks. Maybe we'll see the rest of the altcoins in the market pumping. We'll be taking a look at the Altcoin Season Index, but right now, guys, be very careful. Liquidations in the market has been rising. The past 24 hours has seen over 77,000 traders liquidated. Total liquidation comes in around $310 million. The largest liquidation happened on OKX. One trader was liquidated for around $9.45 million. What was it trading? It was trading Bitcoin. Be careful, guys. You don't get liquidated before the main party started. Before the main party starts, you don't get liquidated before we have that epic final pump in this bull market. We'll take a look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, there's greed. Last month, sentiment was neutral. The bulls and the bears were at it, fighting for control. The bulls took over on the 12th of October. We saw Bitcoin pumping. We saw Ethereum pumping. We've seen altcoins like Solana, We've seen altcoins like Ron, Casper, Cake having nice times. We're expecting to see alt season in the coming days and coming weeks. With alt season will come extreme greed. I will not be shocked if we see extreme greed when alt season happens. What we're expecting alt season, guys? Right now, Bitcoin is having a great time. Anytime we see Bitcoin having a great time, the altcoin market also will join that party. Majority of 2023 are seeing Bitcoin just chilling. Bitcoin had a very great 2023. We saw capital in the cryptocurrency market stay in Bitcoin season. But right now we're heading towards alt season. Alt season is where all the fun will happen for the altcoin market. We see 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period. It is alt season. Bitcoin is up 37% over the last 90 days. A lot of altcoins are doing better than Bitcoin, but I expect to see most of the altcoins in the market do better than Bitcoin if we get that one final pump, because on the monthly time frame, we're almost at an altcoin month. Altcoin season index tells us when the altcoin month index shows 75, that's an altcoin month. Right now we're in 67. The last 1 month has seen Bitcoin go up 22%, but a lot of altcoins in the market has seen more than a 22% increase. If you go to the crypto bubble, go on the monthly time frame, see a lot of these altcoins we're seeing: Ron, Gas, Solana, Injective, FTT, the YDX, Phantom, Cake. Most of them have outperformed Bitcoin, and that's the number one ingredient for alt season. So alt season is around the corner. Altcoins will be going to higher prices. Let's take a look at how high the altcoin market can go. Right now, the altcoin market sits around the $408 billion level. We're pumped to new yearly highs, which is a very good sign, guys. We've seen the altcoin market trade below that $400 billion level for quite a while right now on this channel. We've been tracking it, expecting it to blast above $400 billion. We're finally there. We're chilling in new yearly highs, just like Ethereum. I'll not be shocked to see the altcoin market go crazy in the coming days and coming weeks. You know, the altcoin markets, when the pump starts, the pump can get very, very chaotic. Last time we saw the altcoin market having a huge pump was way back in March of 2022. A lot of altcoins in the market are rallying to that March 2022 price. If we see the altcoin market rallying to that price point, we're going to see a very chaotic 1 month where we see the altcoin market basically double in value, going from around $400 billion to as high as $800 billion. And that pump can happen very, very quickly. Total crypto market cap sits around $1.34 trillion. I still believe we'll continue pumping to higher prices. We'll see the altcoin market doubling in value. We expect to see total crypto market also increase in value. That April 2022 value for the total crypto market sits around $2.1 trillion. Let's take a look at some news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world. There's a lot of bullish news going out there right now. A lot of people want to FOMO in. Remember, guys, you don't want to be FOMOing in. Have a plan, because if you don't have a plan, you end up getting wrecked. Uniswap launches Android wallet with built-in swap function. Remember, guys, Uniswap was going to see a huge increase in people downloading their app, which might lead us to an epic meme coin season. We'll be talking about that later. Bitcoin bounces at $36,200 lows as CPI inflation slows beyond forecast. Disney launched FTX platform with Dapper Labs. Beam Afolami takes the reign as UK crypto policy new economic secretary. OKX launches Ethereum Layer 2 testnet using ZK-based Polygon CDK. Opinion DeFi protocol founders are leaving crypto after CFDC crackdown. Let's take a look at that Uniswap story. Uniswap launches Android wallets with inbuilt swap function. The Uniswap Android app has finished beta testing and is now publicly available. Uniswap Labs has publicly released an Android mobile wallet with built-in swap function on the Google Play Store. Good to see a lot of products being launched by these cryptocurrencies. Imagine Uniswap now has a working product. We're going to see more people get into crypto because more people are going to download the apps. Tornado Cash users file appeal over judgment in favor of US Treasury, and Delaware authority refers fake BlackRock XRP trust filing to State Justice Department. Things are getting crazy. Remember, somebody filed a fake BlackRock XRP trust. We saw the price of XRP pump to higher price, also dump after we discovered it was fake. But right now, they are taking it seriously. The Justice Department is going to be handling that issue. We're going to see who did that. Blockchain.com $110 million funding round halves in 2022 valuation report. Creator of Mutant Ape Reefs of NFT plead guilty to $3 million fraud scheme, and XRP spikes on hoax filing a bad look but won't sway SEC. XRP spikes on hoax filing a bad look but won't sway SEC FTS approval. Now we're waiting for this spot ETF approvals. We're waiting for Bitcoin spot ETF approval. We're waiting for also Ethereum spot ETF approval. But that XRP news might have put a bolt in the wheel of progress, because I mean, if we can really get somebody filing a fake XRP BlackRock Trust, how are we sure we're not going to get multiple of that? But I'm sure that will not stop the progress. I'm sure that will not stop the spot ETF approval coming in some few days. YouTube says creators must disclose Gen AI use of face suspension. OKX joined Communion and CoinShare for institutional segregated asset trading, and Ethereum rollups are gold standard, but Pasma needs a revisit. That's what the co-founder of Ethereum is saying. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you see the market heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? Bitcoin dominance is slowly dumping to gobbling town. Bitcoin dominance has gone below 52%. We saw Bitcoin dominance top around the 54.4% region. The more Bitcoin dominance dump, the more we might see the altcoin market having a great time. The more we might see meme coins also pumping to higher values. All things around the corner. Altcoins are having a great time. Meme coins might be pumping to higher values. Good times have returned to the cryptocurrency market. Are you still buying more altcoins? Are you planning on selling for some sweet profits? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.